Hi, my name is Bruno and this is ELDES wireless power socket, which has a name EWM1. This is power socket which lets you to switch the electric appliances on and off, and if you use the more powerful control panels such as ESIM3264, you can also measure the power consumption and use the cloud services to control the wireless power sockets. This power socket comes in three different types. This is the type E I have in my hands, which is most popular in Europe. Also we have F and G types. All you need is to upgrade the firmware on your control panels and use the ELDES configuration tool to pair these power sockets to control panel.